Hello, I'm Jennifer, and this is day 15 of my 50 days to 50. And that is every day leading up to my 50th birthday, I am going around and getting rid of one random item or a category of things to declutter on my way to 50. So today's item is going to be, look at these beautiful belts. In fact, I put one on just for fun. Do you know how often I wear belts? Hardly ever. I've just kept them because, I don't know, they didn't take up much space. They were actually hanging in my closet. But not just that, apparently I needed to have some in my drawers as well. Some of them are ones that kind of came maybe with a pair of pants or something else that I don't even have anymore. But most of them are probably just outdated. So what I'm going to do is kind of do a reverse declutter with these guys. And I'm just going to go through and pick out my favorite ones. And then I'm going to let all the rest go. Time to donate and get them out of my house. So if you are just catching this video, thanks for finding my channel. Please like, subscribe, share with anybody that you know is going through a decluttering journey or just wants to see what random stuff I'm going to find next. Thanks for all your support.